withdraw with your Binance account. Okay, so I'll be teaching you on how to withdraw with your Binance. It's very simple, and I discovered that a lot of people are finding it difficult to withdraw with their Binance account from especially um, daily blue trading platform. So I will be teaching you how to withdraw. I'll be teaching you how to withdraw with this um, with your Binance account. Okay, so subsequently I'll be teaching you how to create a Binance account and also how you can verify your Binance account at ease. Okay, so let's let me just explain to you right away. Okay, so first thing to do is to log into your app dashboard. All right, so let me refresh so that I can start afresh. Um, this is it. So I want to withdraw. I want to withdraw. This is the home page. All right. So the first thing to do is to click on this picture here. Click on this picture here. So when you click on it, you see assets. When you get to assets, you get to this asset here. So when you get there, you click on it. It takes you to here. Now you see deposit or withdraw orders. You see balance history, asset exchange. Remember that everything you trade or when you sell, everything goes back to your USDT. Everything comes to your USDT, so you see everything here. However, this is withdraw. Now this is for deposits. So you see, whatever I want to do is, if I want to deposit, I will click on deposit and I will copy this number being shown here. I will copy this number here and I will paste it to buy from Binance. You can buy from Binance or Roku or OKX, any other platform, or Coinbase, any other platform you want to use. But currently I'm focusing on withdrawing. So when you want to withdraw, you click on withdraw. You click on this here. You click on withdraw. So click on withdraw. It takes you here. Now you see that it's on USDT TRC20. You leave it on USDT TRC20. You are not withdrawing Bitcoin. You are not withdrawing USDT ERC20. You are not withdrawing Ethereum. You are not withdrawing TRX. You are withdrawing this coin here, which is what we are using to trade. This is what you are using, and that is why it's being marked like this. So that is what you are withdrawing on. So you leave it there. Then you see, these are the wallet I've used. This is my wallet. Okay, this is what you copy from your Binance. I believe you know how to copy it from your Binance. So I'm not taking it to your Binance because I believe you should be having a Binance account to withdraw. So assuming I copy this from where I want to copy from, I will just paste it. You see, when I paste it, it's there for me. This is it for me. Okay, so now the amount I want to withdraw, if you look at this here, you see that your total amount is showing. Daily made it easy for us. Look here, you see that my total amount is showing here. My total amount is showing. My total USDT is showing. Of course, I'm trading. So I will pick the number here and add here. Remember that the best way to withdraw is to take the number, for instance, the number before the decimal point. This decimal point here, let me mark it for you to see. This decimal point here, you see, so you take the whole number, then decimal point, then you pick 4 number before that to use, or better still, you just withdraw in whole number. For instance, if you're having 200.10,000 or 200.567 USDT, just 200 USDT is okay for you, or 200.2 before, just take 4 digits after the decimal point, and that is all. When you have done that, you just click on withdraw. Okay, so when you have put the your withdrawal amount you want to put here, you put the withdrawal amount you want to put here. So then here you put your withdrawal password. I think that is just easy way to do. Then you click on submit. This is submit here. You click on it, and that is all. So that is how to withdraw. You wait 24 to 48 hours. The money will be placed to your account. Okay, then since I've taught you. Alright, since I've taught you how to withdraw with your Binance, so let me teach you how you could withdraw to your bank account. So to your bank account is very simple. You see this home page You see this home page here. You see this home page. You click on it. So when you click on it, you see buy crypto. You see buy crypto. You click on buy crypto. When you click on buy crypto, then it will take you to here. You see quick buy, quick sell, and others. So you click on quick sell, that is to withdraw to your account. You click on quick sell. Now the minimum amount you can withdraw, so I've clicked on quick sell, is $10. That is the minimum amount you can withdraw. Me, I'm not having up to $10, so I'm not withdrawing. So what you do is this: you put what you want to sell here. For instance, you put $10. You see, you're receiving 6,700, so they are selling per dollar 670. So you put your withdrawal password here. I think this is very easy. You put your withdrawal password here, then my account is set already. These are I'm going to be doing more videos on how you could set your account for withdrawal. Okay, so this is my account detail which I've already set. So all I just need to do is come to this place, click confirm. Clicking confirm means I've accepted every detail that I own this account, and the money will be transferred to my account within 24 to 48 hours. I think I have not brainwashed you, but I've brain feed you with knowledge. I'll be very grateful if you help me by subscribing. Hit on the subscribe button and click on the notification bell so that I'll you'll be getting more updates whenever I upload. I'll also be teaching you on how you could trade with Binance. That is, when I mean trade, not to buy and sell. Okay, how you could buy crypto from Binance and sell your crypto from to buy in Binance also at a good price. With $50.